um, you can go to page number 93. You can see, let us know some more. Have you ever seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? If there are any flower sellers nearby, ask them these questions and write. So, have you ever seen anyone selling flowers anywhere? Like you have all, maybe you all have seen people or the people selling flowers, and if you have seen one, you have to ask her. You go and ask, okay, you go and ask to them all these questions like, what are the different flowers that they sell? What are the flowers that they sell? Okay, Delhi, what flowers are there that they keep with them to sell? Ask them the names of 3 flowers. So among all the flowers, ask them the names of 3 flowers. Okay, and write it here. Usually what happens, rose, marigold, lotus, all they will sell. Okay, so you can write any other. You ask them and write. Where do they bring these flowers from? So you have to write the place or the like from where they bring. Okay, such a huge and so many flowers, from where they will bring, you have to ask them. Why do people buy flowers? So you have to ask them that why, what is the reason for the people to buy the flowers? Because the flower, the one who will sell the flower, they are selling flower because they know the reason to why the people will buy the flowers. So you ask them why people will buy the flowers. Okay, so the fourth one is, in what forms do flower sellers sell their flowers? So how the flower seller will sell the flowers, in what form, you have to write. Look at this picture. So here are some pictures given. Tick against those forms which you have seen. So you can see here, this is a garland or something is given here, and you can see all the flowers, the forms. Okay, there are different forms, like you can see all the things. So which forms, if you have seen like in garland form, you can write tick. If you have whichever form you have seen, you have to give the tick. Okay, and go to page number 94. You can see here also the same continuing thing of the previous one. If which form you have seen, you have to write. Okay, you have to give the tick. Garland, you can see here, and all this thing. Any other form that you have seen, if you have seen any other form of like any other form like by through which the flower seller will sell the flower, you can write it here. Have you seen flowers offered at many religious places, like in temples, in churches, and as well as some other places also? If you have seen someone offering, or if you have seen someone if you have seen the things like that, you at religious place, means the where we will worship our gods. So if you have seen people offering flowers, you can mention the thing where you have seen the people offering the flower. What do we do when they dry up? So when the flowers will dry up, or when we offer something or some flowers in the temple or the churches and all, or religious place, and when that flower will dry up, then what will we do? We will throw it, or we will keep it like that only. You have to write. How will you use them? So how will you use them? So another purpose, you have to write how, after they will dry up, and then how will you use them, you have to write. Some flowers are used in different forms. So like rose and marigold are used in garlands and as loose petals too. So you all know that petals, okay, that rose, you know that rose flower, and that petals from that rose flower is used to make different things in it. And you all know that marigolds and rose are specially used to make garlands. So find out the prices of these different forms. Like for example, if the flower seller is selling the flower or the marigold by making it a garland, so what are the prices for the thing. Okay, what are the prices for the forms of the flower they are selling? Like one flower, you have to write the thing. One garland, how much it costs. Okay, like one flower, how much, like money is that, how much is the price, you have to write. And one garland, how much it costs, you have to write. One bouquet, how much that bouquet will cost, you can write it here. You ask them, okay, the flower seller, you have to ask them, has the flower seller learned to make bouquets or a net of flowers from anybody? From whom? So you also ask the flower seller that whether they have learned to make the bouquets, or yes, they have learned or not. You ask them, and if like if they have learned, from whom they learned it. Okay, you have to write the thing. Would they like the other members of their family to do this work? Yeah, why? So you ask them whether the flower seller wants their family members, okay, other family members to do the same work as him or not. Okay, you have to ask them. If they want their children or their family members to do their same work, you ask them why. Okay, and if they don't want, then also you ask their reason. Go to page number 95. 95, you can see, let us do this activity. This is the activity, so we have to do this one. Okay, you could do this in group of 5 or 6 each. So you have to make this. All are the things that we will do when you all will be back at school. Okay, so this is the group work or the activity you have to do in group, and the group should have 5 or 6 members each. Okay, collect flowers that have fallen from trees or plants and bring them to the class. So what you have to do is, if you have seen flowers, or if you have some flowers that is fallen from the tree, not by plucking the flowers, but if the flower is like fallen, you have to pick the flowers, okay, and bring it to the class. Spread these flowers neatly between the sheets of an old newspaper. So you bring newspaper also and old newspaper also, and in between you spread the flowers neatly, okay, in a clean way or in a neat way, proper way, you spread the flowers. Make sure that the flowers do not touch each other. So you have to spread the flower neatly, so that each flower do not touch, so that each flower will not touch each other. Now put a heavy object on the newspaper. So in that newspaper where you have kept the flowers, you put a heavy object. Okay, leave it pressed for 10 to 15 days at one place. So you keep that newspaper which is like which has some flowers you bought, and which is where you have put the heavy object. Okay, you keep it at one place for and leave it for 10 to 15 days. After this, take out all the flowers very carefully and prepare a scrapbook. So after doing that, after 15 days, what you have to do is, you have to take out all the flowers and very carefully, okay, not carelessly, you have to do all those things carefully and prepare a scrapbook. Okay, the scrapbook means where you will and there you can write which flower is that. All that you can take a used notebook or old newspaper for this. So for making a scrapbook, you can use notebook or old newspaper also. You can also use this dried flowers to make pretty cards. So whichever flowers that you kept for 15 days, you can use that flowers to make cards also. Okay, draw a flower of your choice and write its name below. So here is the space given, so you have to draw, okay, the flower, whichever flower. Like if you like rose, you can draw rose. If you like marigold, you can draw marigold. If you like jasmine, you can draw jasmine. And there are so many flowers like morning glory, lotus, and all those flowers. Whichever you like, just one flower, you can draw it here. Okay.